Well, hey guys, yeah, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a little bit of baking, you know what I'm saying? Okay, just hold on, let me just get my apron. Yes, I feel a little smartened, like I'm the best cook and shit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so okay, just adjusting that hair in the neck because you know I'm short and it's a little bit too long or whatever. Yep. Totally excited to be making for you guys. Well, yeah, let's see how that goes. Hold on, let me adjust this right there. Yeah. Okay, there you have all my ingredients. Yes, my phone where I'm going to be getting my recipe from. Hold up, let me show you guys. So this is how I want the cake to come out. Hopefully that happens. And let me show you. Okay, that's the ingredients right there. So yep, just setting that down, getting ready to get started. But first of all, need to wash my hands. Yep. I'm getting that done. Washing away. Yeah, washing away. Okay, get my towel. Come on, girl, get that towel. Yes, my clean towel. Wipe my hands. Right. And I'm just going to put that in the pocket of my apron. Yes, my container here that I'm going to be mixing all the dry ingredients in it. I had already washed it. Excuse me. So, by the way, I have some loud music playing in the actual video, so I'm just doing a voiceover here. Anyways, getting my measuring cup here. So yes, it says I need 1 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. So I'm just setting all that up. Yeah. Okay, girl, get to mixing. I'm gonna show you guys all the ingredients close up in a minute. There we go, the flour. The baking powder. And my salt. Yeah, my salt. And yeah, I don't mind my old school baking powder bucket, but you know you have to reuse. So in here I have my sugar, my white sugar. They didn't say what sugar to use, so yeah, girl, we're doing white. Alright, set that down. My vanilla essence. So right now I've mixed all the dry ingredients. Yep. Just mixing all that in. Got my eggs. I only need 4. Blazing in Love was playing, so I was just enjoying that here. Anti-Hughes. Got my eggs up in there. Yep. So just gonna set that down so I can mix it. So yeah, I got my hand mixer. So we're about to mix that in. I was a little bit afraid that, you know, it would spill out, a little splash. So there it goes, it's mixing nicely. Yep, just mixing and mixing away. Yep, just mixing away. Still mixing. I think I totally forgot I was recording this. Like, you guys can see that I'm still here mixing. So it said that you want to get the eggs like fluffy and stuff. So that's what I'm trying to accomplish, you know. So yes, it's nice and thick and fluffy. That's how they wanted it. So now we're about to add the sugar. Just throw that in, girl. Just throw that in. Yep. And just mix it up. Yeah, mix it up. Yeah, mix it up. Hey, mix it up. Yep, and we're mixing and we're mixing. And we're mixing. We're still mixing. Yes, because you know we need to get this sugar all dissolved and mixed up in there. There we go, there we go, there we go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mix it up. Mix it up. Put your back into it. Yeah, girl. Now it's time for the flour. They said to add that in gradually. I'm kind of not about that life much, you know, but I tried to follow through. And they said to fold it in. I hope that's what it means to fold in. I hope you can see what I'm trying to do. Yeah. Okay. Adding some more. Yep. Continue mixing and adding and mixing while folding and adding. So yes, we're just going to continue doing that. Adding all the flour. Okay. What am I doing? I'm bringing you a little closer. Yes. My phone is still on the tripod stand, so I cannot move this too much. So yes, I've moved this and I've brought you even closer. So yes, just folding all that flour in, trying to do it as successful as possible, because you know I'm not the best at this. It looks good though, don't it? Oh my goodness, I see some lumps in there, girl. Mix that up. Yeah. Okay. Excuse me. Just going to continue mixing that air. Yeah. Okay. They said to add water, guys, but I decided to put some dinos in there, you know, some strong rum. Yep. So anywho's, this is it in my Pyrex dish. Yep, looks good, looks good. About to put that in the oven. Yep, and there we have the finished product. I did awesome, guys. Yes, look at that baby. So I used the toothpick to check if the inside is cooked, and it came out very clear. In fact, nothing on the toothpick. Yep, looks wonderful. So yes, this is it out of the Pyrex dish, showing you all around. Okay, we're about to check the bounce. Go on, girl. Hey. Hey.